All right, so this is the folding beach cart. This is how it comes. So you has a strap that goes around it. This is the inside. It has a nice sleeve that closes this. Okay, so you can open this up on the side. And then the wheels, you have two wheels. Two are swivel. So you just put them in. They just quick release right in. We want to make sure we're going the right way. Way. Just like that. Oh, you really can't mess it up because they don't fit. They only go in the right holes. So, the front, and then there's straight ones. These go in the back. These don't swivel. So the ones that are angled are the ones that go in the front that swivel. You know it's the front because it has the handle. And then push it down. And you put your wallet down. You have a door back here that opens up like an F-150, not like a Ram, because if it was a Ram, it probably wouldn't work. And then you can clip these back here, just like that. And that'll keep the door from opening. Pretty neat. This will go inside. This is your cart. Little things here for your soda or water or whatever you like to bring on the beach or wherever you're taking this. And then when you want to pack it up, you click the button here, pull this, pull this, pull this, fold it up. You want to pull these off actually before you fold it. And then if you want, you could just quickly wrap this back around and fold it up and put it in your car. All right, I'm out.